When you think of the library, you probably think of books. The FGCU Library does physically house hundreds of thousands of books, journals, and multimedia items in the building. The library also provides access to hundreds of thousands of articles, ebooks, and specialized resources through the library website. The most valuable thing the library has, though, might be the knowledge of our faculty and staff who are here to help you along the way as you gather information and put it to use in your own papers and projects. The library also offers great places to study, work with groups, use technology, or even just relax. The library building is large and houses some non-library offices and services, such as the Service Learning Office, classrooms, faculty offices, and support services. There are two entrances to the library. The Library West entrance leads directly to the Center for Academic Achievement and Art Lab Gallery before you get into the library. The stairs and elevator in the West entrance area are the only ways to reach the second floor for the CAA tutoring spaces and writing lab. If you walk into the Library East entrance, you'll find yourself near the circulation desk. This is the first of many places to get help in the library. The circulation desk is where you can check out and return books, including textbooks and course reserves. They also have loanable technology, including power cords and chargers, laptops, calculators, cameras, and computer accessories and adapters. You'll need your FGCU Eagle ID number to check out anything from the library. If you need to find books or articles for a paper or project, your next stop might be to contact a librarian through the links on the library web pages. Our subject librarians have graduate degrees in library and information science, which makes them experts at finding the information you need. Subject librarians can be contacted via chat, email, or phone, or you can make an appointment for a consultation. Librarians can help you find all kinds of information: books in the library's collections, articles and other sources in the online research databases, and even authoritative information from outside the library's collections. There are hundreds of thousands of information sources physically located in the library. Books and journals are shelved by call number. Call numbers are like unique addresses for each book, and they also help group items by subject. You can use the online library catalog to find a call number for an item. The catalog will also tell you what collection the item is in. The main collection of books is called the General Collection. These are the books that can be checked out. The General Collection is spread over the second and third floors of Library East. Once you have your sources and are ready to start working on your papers, projects, or other assignments, you might head over to the computer labs. The main computer lab in Library East has over 100 computers, and Library West has another 45 computers spread out around the first floor. You can print out documents on black ink or color printers using money on your Eagle ID card. Get help with the technology from our skilled computer specialists in the computer lab. There are plenty of spaces in the library building to study or work alone or get together with a group. There are over 30 group study rooms, all outfitted with whiteboards and computers. Group study rooms can be reserved up to 1 week in advance using the online reservation system. Tables and chairs for quiet study can be found throughout the library. The silent study area can be found on the third floor of Library East. The third floor also houses the University Archives and Special Collections, including an exhibit space that features a different exhibit every semester. The library has its own media production studio with professional audio and video recording equipment. All FGCU students are able to use the studio after completing an orientation. Orientations and room reservations can be booked on the library website. Now you know that the library is much more than a building with books. Be sure to also explore all of the resources that are available to you through the library website. The most important thing to remember is that the people and resources of the FGCU Library are here to help you succeed.